Hello and good morning, grade 8, with you, Mr. Samir Awad. And today we are going to start our part 2 about chapter 2, lesson 3, scientists and society. How does society affect the work of the science? And let's talk about what we get previous. We get in the beginning the controversy between the society and the scientists, and we talked about more than modern for that and how they can make a disagreement between the people and the scientists according to their beliefs and the other science idea and theories. And we saw what happened to Galileo, and also we saw what was great coming from Albert Einstein. So let's move to part 2, guys. Yeah, that's Ignace Similovic, and this one was a Styrian doctor who got the doctors to make a new routine with the baby delivery by washing their hands in order to keep the lives of the mom. And that was great, influenced by this man. Ignace Similovic was a young doctor working in a hospital in Austria in the in the 1840s, and he observed that many women died of infections after giving birth in the hospital. So, after studying the problem, he suggested that doctors wash their hands before delivering baby. And that was a great expectation from him. That was a doctor. That's a picture in this time for the doctors washing their hands. And as soon as doctors started doing this, death rates dropped and decreased. However, Smilovic's solution to the problem was in conflict with the common medical practices at this time. The people didn't used to wash their hands before this work. Therefore, Smilovic lost his job at the hospital, and that was a big cost catastrophe for some person to lose his work. Eventually, new discoveries about diseases supported Similovic's ideas. Hand washing before deliveries became routine. The people used to do it, or the doctors used to do it, and many more mothers survived because of that person. Is is a godfather for that. The second one here, and the beautiful woman, Rachel Carson, who supposed to be the mother of the environmental movements, and she supported the environment too much. This biologist was Rachel Carson. She was a biologist who wrote about science and nature, and her last book, Silent Spring, was published in 1962. This book is about the effect of pesticides such as DDT on the environment. And I told you before that DDT is a pesticide that's killing insects, and in the World War they used to get that uh, pesticide as a weapon to kill the soldiers in the tunnels down by making them suffocated because of pesticide. Yeah, that's the book cover for Silent Spring by Richard Carson. She was one of the influencing women in this world, and Al Gore is the vice president of USA, United States of America. Yeah, get it, to make an introduction for her book before that man is meaning of environment too. So pesticides are chemicals that farmers can use to kill insects that harm their crops. And after World War II, farmers used the pesticides and their harvests increased because a lot of insects start to die. And however, large number of birds and animals or other animals died as a result of the pesticides use or overuse of them. So Carson used data and make her research about that to show how pesticides harm animals, but many people disagreed with her because of the benefit coming from, their trade with the crops. Yet in 1972, the government banned DDT, and Silent Spring played an important role in the government decision. Eventually, most wildlife populations recovered from the harm of DDT caused. That was second part, guys. Hope you get understand and it was interesting for you. And also, I want you, if you want any question, to ask me through the interactive sessions. And be safe home, guys, and good luck.